A very warm welcome to tech mining. Shotcut allows you to add fast forward and slow motion effects to a video. Let's see how it can be done. First, make 3 clips of this video. Select the first clip. Click the Properties tab. The speed of this clip is 1, which is the normal speed of a video. Select the second clip. Set the speed of this clip to 3 to add the fast forward effect. When you apply the fast forward effect, the size of the clip reduces. Now, select the third clip. Set the speed value to 0.4 to apply the slow motion effect. When you apply this effect, the size of the clip enhances. Join the 3 clips to see the effects. And this is the final output. That's it for now. Stay tuned to see more Shotcut tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.